I will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Toloka app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to settings here. So it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, just go down here. Then you click here on apps. So then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Toloka app, or just click here on search. Then here add, so hit add Toloka app here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click on it. So then you come to this list here, just click here on first stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.